meter bridge. Meter bridge based on working of Wheatstone bridge. In this bridge, 1 meter long wire is used, hence its name. It is made by using copper strip. It is the copper strip. It is made up of wide copper band. 1 meter long wire is connected between A and B. With the help of this bridge, unknown resistance is obtained. A meter scale is connected parallel to the length of meter bridge wire. The upper portion of bridge having two gaps. In one of the gap, unknown resistance is connected, and on the other gap, a meter scale, a resistance box. It is in the form of copper band. The upper portion of band has two gaps. In one of the gap, it is unknown resistance X is connected, and on the other gap, a resistance box is connected. Between the terminal A and B, a 1 meter long wire is tightly connected. A meter scale is connected parallel to the length of meter bridge wire. Between the terminal C, D, E, F, H, A, B, C, D, E, F, H, I, K. Between the terminal C and K a battery a key and a rheostat is connected. A sensitive galvanometer is used whose one end is connected to app and other end is connected to jockey. J. This bridge consists of copper strip in which a 1 meter wire is connected between the terminal A and B. A meter scale is connected parallel to the length of meter bridge wire to obtain the length. The upper portion of bridge has two gaps. In one of the gap a known resistance is connected and on the other gap a resistance box is connected. Between the terminal C and K a battery, a key and a rheostat is connected. This figure is shown in the form of Wheatstone bridge. Its working is based on Wheatstone bridge. With the help of this bridge, we obtain the unknown resistance. First of all, some fixed value of resistance is taken out from the resistance box and jockey J slide over the meter bridge wire till the deflection of galvanometer becomes 0. Let at this point J the balance point is obtained, that is Ig equal to 0. The left side length of the bridge is L1 and right side length is L2. If the length of if the resistance of unit length of resistance is, if the resistance of unit length of meter bridge wire is smaller, then total resistance P equal to L1R and Q equal to L2R. P equal to L1R, Q equal to L2R. Using the formula of Wheatstone bridge, X equal to PR by Q. Putting value of P L1R, L2R, L1R by L2. If we say the value of L2, L1, if L1 equal to L, then L2 equal to 100 minus L. From equation first, x equal to LR by 100 minus L. This formula is used for numerical purpose. This is the meter bridge. It is also in practical of 12th class. With the help of this bridge, we can obtain the value of unknown resistance. That's all.